Welcome to Guitar Lessons 2K. This video is going to teach you how to read chord diagrams. Chord diagrams are graphic charts that show you where to place your fingers on the fretboard in order to make a chord. Before you learn to read a chord diagram, you need to learn the numbers of your fingers on your left hand. Your index finger is numbered 1, middle finger is numbered 2, ring finger is numbered 3, your little finger is numbered 4, and your left-hand thumb gets the capital letter T. A blank chord diagram looks like this. It represents a guitar neck as if you're looking at it like this. The 6 vertical lines represent the 6 guitar strings. In this diagram, I have drawn the strings their size from thickest to thinnest. The 6 vertical lines from left to right are the strings E, A, D, G, B, E. The horizontal lines represent the frets on the guitar. The thicker horizontal line on top represents the nut on the guitar. A nut is the rectangular piece at the top of the neck just above the first fret. It is where the strings are set. The numbers in the oval shapes are showing you where to place your fingers. In this example, the chord diagram is telling you to place your second finger in the second fret on the D string, your third finger in the second fret on the G string, and your first finger in the first fret on the B string. The zeros in the oval shapes are open strings. Open strings are strings that are not pressed and ring along with the fretted strings. The X is a string that will not be played in the chord. You have to either mute the string with one of the fingers on your left hand or simply do not strum it with your right hand. On top of the diagram is the chord name. Sometimes you'll see a diagram with a number to the left. The number to the left of the diagram indicates what fret you should be on. This chord diagram is telling you to put your first finger at the 5th fret. Some chord diagrams look like this. The black dots on the chord diagram are showing you where to put your fingers on the fretboard. The chart doesn't tell you which fingers you have to use, but most of the time it is obvious which finger goes where. The white dots represent an open string. The numbers at the bottom of this diagram are showing you what fingers to use for each black dot. This is a bar chord. These diagrams are telling you to place your first finger at the 5th fret across all 6 strings. These diagrams are representing a chord called a partial bar chord. You would only bar the high E and B string with your first finger. Now that you know how to read chord diagrams, you can move on to the next lesson and learn your 8 basic open chords: E, D, C, A, G, E minor, A minor, and D minor.